सत्कार और अभिनंदन डॉक्टर माशेलकर।
I'll just speak for 3 minutes, make only 3 points. The first point, what are those 3 points? I think, in order that India assumes that position in the Committee of Nations, which is right up there, we need only 3 things. The first is innovative India. Second is one India. And third is my India. That's all. What is innovative India? They say innovator is one who does not know it cannot be done. Prime Minister has declared this as a decade of innovation, 2010-20. President Obama says 21st century is going to be century of innovation and education. European Union calls itself an innovation nation. So competitiveness is going to be dependent on innovation. Growth that we heard just now is going to depend upon innovation, and we need to be innovative. The I in India must not stand for inhibition, must not stand for imitation. It must stand for innovation. I in IITs, I in industry, I in every individual must stand for innovation. Innovation is about doing things differently. That's the first part. The second part is one India. It pains me. On the other day, somebody was asking me, he said, one Japanese plus one Japanese, how many do they become? So I said, 2. He said, wrong. They are 11. And then he asked me, one Indian plus one Indian, how many do they become? I said, 2, of course. He said, wrong. They come to 0. Why? They neutralize each other. This is not on. We play great violin, great sitar. But when it comes to orchestra, again we play our own violin. We have to become a team India. We have to become one India. And that's why, Abhijit, when you talked about this great experiment, Pune, it was one Pune. It was one India that you talked about. Inclusive India, that we just now heard, is one India. How do you ensure that there is affordable access, despite income inequality, to education, to everything? I would not be standing here if I did not have access to education. I was walking barefoot on the streets until I was 12. I was studying on the street lights, having difficulty to have 2 meals a day, and came a Tata scholarship where I could study. Access to education was important. That's how I got included. Otherwise, I would have got excluded. So access to education, access to health, access to communication, to financial services, and so on and so forth becomes important. That will create that one India. That's the second part. And the third part is my India. In fact, in the last Congress here, we did something, and all good things have to be repeated, so we will repeat that. All that I had said at that point. People ask me, what is your dream about India? My dream about India is smiles on the faces of 1.3 billion people. My dream about India is 1.3 billion people getting up and singing Jana Gana Mana at the same time. We should have done it when we had the 100 years of Jana Gana Mana. My dream of India is each one of us getting up every morning and saying My India 3 times. And before we go to bed, saying again My India 3 times and asking ourselves, I did this for myself, but what did I do for my India? And the good time to begin to do that is now. So why don't we do like this? I will say My India thrice and you will repeat. And we will keep on repeating till one comes to the end of one's hearing. So let's begin. My India. My India. My India.